In this demonstration, you will see how to install and configure DHCP on Windows Server 2019. So we start in Windows Admin Center, we select SEA SVR1. We scroll down to Roles and Features. Within Roles and Features, we scroll down and select the DHCP server role. We select the Install option. Dependencies are calculated. We select to reboot the server if required, and then we click Yes. The role is then installed on Windows Server 2019. We get the DHCP node on Windows Admin Center, and we can install the DHCP RSAT tools which are required. We get only limited options in Windows Admin Center at the moment for DHCP. So what we're going to do is we're going to open Server Manager. And Server Manager is configured to connect to that first SEA SVR1. And the DHCP role is there. And we complete the DHCP registration process. DHCP servers must be authorized in Active Directory, and at the moment you can't do that in Windows Admin Center. You can only do it through the Server Manager console or through the DHCP console. So here we see the description of the post-installation configuration wizard telling us that it's going to create some groups. We click Next, we provide the account to provide authorization, we click Commit. It creates the security groups and authorizes the DHCP server. In that demonstration, you saw me install and authorize the DHCP role on Windows Server 2019.